Hello, this session is about select star into statement in SQL. So, suppose you have an existing table with lots of data and you want to create same table with the same data and same data types in that table. So here we can use select star into statement. So for that what you will do, select star into and the newest table name which you want to get the same structure and data from the existing table to the new table. So TBL new books from and the existing table which is TBL books. First we will check the data from the TBL books table. So TBL books, here we have 19,986 rows. Now when you will perform this query, select star into TBL new books from TBL books. So what it will do, it will copy the structure with the same data type and the data into the new table which name is TBL new books. And if you will find like select star from TBL new books, so it is not existing right now, invalid object name, because we didn't create. So single query will do two works. It will create the table as well as it will copy the data from the existing table to the new table. So let's execute it. Now you will find that 19,986 rows affected. Now just perform select star from TBL new books. So here you will see that the data has been copied from the TBL books into the TBL new books. It will not affect the existing table. It will just copy everything from the TBL books and it will copy in the newest table with all the dependencies and any constraint which exist in the TBL books and will insert in TBL new books. So this is about the select star into table to get the data and structure from the existing table to the new table. Now here we will see another scenario. Suppose we want to create a duplicate table but we don't want data. We have to just copy the structure and the dependency or any primary key, foreign keys, something like that. So what you will do for that, select star into the table name which you want to new, suppose new book, no data, from TBL books, and here we will write a condition like where 1 equal to 2. So where 1 equal to 2, this condition will return false. So what it will do, it will only create the table structure and will not copy the data from the existing table. So let's perform the query and you will see 0 row affected. It means only table has been created over here, no data copied from the existing table. So you can use these queries according to your purpose. Hope it will help you. So thanks for watching. If you have any another query or any suggestions, so you can drop a comment and I will check it out. So thanks for watching. Till that, stay tuned.